So this is how you can earn using Amazon Affiliate on TikTok. So what is Amazon Affiliate? Well, it's actually called Amazon Associates. This is Amazon's affiliate marketing where you can sign up, recommend products, and then earn money by recommending those products. So basically, you're earning a commission just like TikTok's affiliate program. So, how do you earn money on TikTok using this Amazon Associates? Well, we can go on ahead and open up TikTok and use this as our platform for recommending and advertising products from Amazon. The very first step is tapping on Edit Profile and then going to this website tab and then typing the link of our Amazon Associate program. So if they tap on this link to that website, they can go on ahead and browse for products there, assuming that you already have your own Amazon Associate website. So simply paste it here or just simply paste the product over here and then they can go on ahead and tap on that product. But how do you actually get traction to that product? Well, you can start by making simple short videos by tapping on the plus button at the bottom middle and then choosing a video or taking a video right now to post and advertise this specific product. So I'm just going to choose a few photos over here like so and then tap on next. You can edit it if you want to add a sound or a text, but for now, let's just edit it like so. So in the description, you can actually go on ahead and type link in bio so that people will know where to get that product. Once again, you're here to advertise the product, so make sure that the video is about that specific product that you want to advertise. So as you can see, it says link in bio in my description, and you could even add a link here if you can. Or for example, if you're using TikTok affiliate, you can add a product by tapping on the product button. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you want to get more views, you can even share it to your friends and family by tapping on the share to button. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.